Miss Reddy, is everything all right? Why are you on cloud 9? Tell me. Why are you so happy? And you are getting decked up every day? What are your intentions? You meet Siddhant every day. I wonder if you... Careful, Miss Reddy. Watch out. Hey, the earrings which sister-in-law had given me. Where is the other one? Thank God I found it. Otherwise, there would have been a problem. Siddhant was telling me yesterday that they suit me.
And these earrings, are these new ones? I haven't seen them before. They are nice though. They look good on you.
No, I shouldn't wear them now. Otherwise, Karthik and brother will surely comment on my earrings. And dad will even ask. I better wear another pair for now.
Dad, look here. We can plant these saplings. It's time for them to bear fruit.
Wow. Give each one a sapling. Everyone will plant one each. Then let's see whose plant will bear fruit the first.
Then even I'm going to plant one. Even mine should be there.
Hey, don't wear gloves.
Mom? Sister-in-law?
Anushka, we are here in the kitchen garden.
Did you plant it properly?
Yes, Dad.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
morning.
You're planting so many saplings. None of you even called me.
Hey, we just started. Join us.
No, it's time to leave for office. You should have told me earlier. What happened? Why are you all staring at me like this? Am I getting converted to an alien?
Well, do you have something very important at office today?
No, just the regular...
Oh.
They're just pulling your leg. Today is Sunday, Anushka. Your office is closed today.
Oh, today's Sunday. Then no one will be reporting to office today.
Yes, of course, silly. No one will report today.
Saw that. This is called commitment. To be interested in your work. Anushka will make great progress.
Anushka is indeed interested. In work? In office?
Okay, listen. Forget all the commitment. Come on, join us.
By the way, Dad will treat us to a special item for lunch. And Mr. Rao will cook today.
Right. Rao, learn to cook cabbage poriyal from my mother. My mother's taste. Rao's cabbage poriyal.
I worked hard for a week. Then I learned about the spices and quantities.
Okay, fine. I'll be back after changing.
Come soon.
Listen. Now that you're ready, let's go finish a job. Father-in-law, we will be back by lunchtime.
Fine. Be back, alright? To have my special cabbage poriyal.
We will definitely come back. Promise. Let's go.
Okay, bye.
Let's go.
Bye. Come soon.
By the way, where are we going?
You tell me. I lied for your sake.
Thank you so much, sister-in-law.
You're welcome.
Listen, go to Lajpat Nagar. But sister-in-law, I will be meeting Siddhant. What will you do in the meantime?
I did not think about it. Well, I will meet Dad. This is the advantage of having maternal and in-laws' homes at the same place. And even you are going to get this advantage. By the way, please be back on time or else father-in-law will take both of us to task, okay?
Don't worry, sister-in-law. I'll be back on time. Definitely.
Definitely.
Done. I forgot to change my earrings.
Hey, Anushka. How are you? What happened?
Nothing as such.
Greetings. Come in. Come in. The earrings are lovely. You look pretty.
Is it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I'm so glad you came here.
Well, it's been many days and today was Sunday, so I thought of visiting you all.
Thank you.
Hi, Anushka. What a pleasant surprise.
Hello.
Okay, be seated. I'll bring
Hold on, Aunt. Firstly, tell me how you've been.
How do I even reply to this? I miss him every day, but on Sundays it's too much. We used to have tea together. Then he used to work on the plants in the garden and he would make me stand with a can of water. He would fulfill a week's hobbies in just a day. All day he would keep asking for tea, fritters or something else. But now, I'm totally free. I have nothing to do. For whom do I make the fritters? She survives on air. And you know Siddhant very well. He's too busy with work.
Aunt, fritters? It's making me drool. Now I feel like having fritters.
Will you have it?
If you don't mind making them, then
course.
definitely. And if you can make a mint and mango chutney and ginger tea, it will be lovely, trust me.
Fine, I'll get it.
Yes. Make it today. Today even I will eat.
You will surely eat, right? You should not say that you are full after just one bite.
No, Aunt, I'm going to eat a plate full of them.
Okay, I'll prepare it.
Aunt, make some for Siddhant too. Even he will have it, right?
Anushka, who are you looking for?
Purva, where is Siddhant?
He had left early. He said that he had some important office work.
How could he just go? I mean, today is Sunday, right? Who works on Sundays? And what office work did he remember?
That's exactly what I asked him, but brother shuts me up saying, mind your own business.
By the way, did he inform you about where he is and he would be
I
back?
already told you. Whatever I ask him, he shuts me up. Hey Anushka, your earrings are so beautiful.
When I get ready and come, I don't find you. Even when I wear the earrings, you tend to disappear. I think destiny is playing a game with me. I wonder where he has gone.
तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू